In recent years, NASA has released a video clip that caught everyone's attention. The main theme of the video was the space monster, the black hole. It was accompanied with a star that would be big as our sun. In this video, it is seen how the black hole smashing the star. It's hard to believe on this, but we have to believe that a black hole is really powerful enough to rip our solar system in just a second due to its gravitation. Because the star in this video that the black hole was tearing apart was big as our sun, and the size of our sun is 99 times the size of our solar system. Here a question as to what happened to the star when the black hole pulled it in and where it disappeared. To what happened inside the black hole and what happened if we fell into it. You will know this question answer in this video. Before starting the video, I request that if you not subscribed our channel Seekers of the Wonders, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. And please like our video, because if you like our video, our motivation to make video increase. Before knowing the structure of black hole, let's talk what a black hole first look like. Whenever you see a black hole, first of all you will see a lot of gases like things near the black hole. All the gravitational force of black hole pulling everything toward it. A black hole is always rotating, which causes it to reflect even light very quickly. The supermassive black hole present at the center of galaxies, including our home galaxy, the Milky Way. Black holes play a crucial and significant role in the evolution of galaxies. Black holes are often the end of a life of a massive star. A scientist who worked on the production of interstellar movies said that the shape of black hole is like as a ball, its boundary area being much darker than that of the main hole. It does not mean that when a black hole is seen up in the sky, it is actually a black hole. When light fell on galaxy, the black hole appeared pink due to its reflection. Black hole attract any star at 100 light year distance. That is, if we travel at the speed of light for 1 year, it is called 1 light year. This distance is so greater that if we travel through space using the advanced technology of today, it will take us 10 million years to cover a distance of 100 light years. And the black hole would easily pull a star the size of our sun toward it from such a distance. But what happened when you and your friend fell into it while watching the black hole? Or a black hole pull us in with help of gravity from the sky. When a black hole pull your friend, or when they fell into a black hole, so he will feel like his body is working like a spring. It means that his body will starting to stretch. This happens whenever black hole pull an object toward its mostly gravitational force exerting on the bottom of the object. This same will happen with your friend. When he fell down, the black hole will be pulling his leg like a spring, and slowly his body will have moved to the boundary of the black hole. But in the meantime, his body will slow down fast and he will stop at the boundary line. But what happens the next? A black hole is a place where time and space collapse together due to its strong gravitational pulls. But what does this thing tell us? Are we going to end up inside a black hole? So first you need to know what Stephen Hawking say about. Stephen Hawking tell a lot of things about black hole, and according to this theory, black hole release radiation and slowly start shrinking and shrinking, and and it disappeared one day, but he disappeared along with all matter that he drawn from billions of years due to its strong gravitational force. On this jury, Stephen Hawking was asked the same question that are being in your mind at this moment, that if the black hole disappear all those matter and stars we were talking about in the star. The answer of this question lies in Stephen Hawking theory, mean whatever the black hole pull into itself, coming out in the form of gravitational force like your friend, which we gave an example, that if a black hole pull it in, it will come out as radiation. So there is no solid proof of this, but many scientists have claimed it to be true. Donald Jeffrey is also one of those scientists who claimed it to be true, and he tried to explain it with the example of bonfire and book. Let's say you have a book and you always get bored when you reading the book. This is why you burn the book. After burning the book, turn into ashes, and what happened to the information and knowledge inside the book? It's still present in the form of ashes, but it is not just visible and readable. This explains something about the existence of black hole. But since this is just a claim right now and it can be proved wrong, so we cannot be call it right. What inside a black hole? The question is what happened to person after he die. Now to know this truth we have to die and come back to life. Just like we have to go inside the black hole and back will be the ego to know the correct answer, but the radiation coming from the black hole hidden all its secret. We have to study the black hole in detail. As far as going inside black hole is considered, no one has been able to do this. But the radiations coming from the black hole hidden all its secret. If we want to know about it, we have to study the black hole in details. As far as going inside black hole is concerned, no one has been able to do that yet, so we have to develop our own technology through which we can send a space mission to black hole. Until the black hole exists, the picture and book, and it does not come out of the book and come in the front of spacecraft. Until then, it can only be questioned and answer only be imagination. So friend, how did you like this video of today? Please comment below and let us know about your valuable opinion, and if you want to know more about black hole, then like this video.